Databases like Psecinfo uses a thesaurus to give you access to the classification and its hierarchy. On most databases accessible via EBSCOhost, the thesaurus or index will be available at the top of the page in the blue bar on the left side. The thesaurus can help you check the vocabulary in use on the database, or to find terms equivalent to expand your search. For example, if you enter any term on the search engine of the thesaurus, the database will display all terms or expressions related to your search terms. Once you've done a search, you can click on the terms in blue to see which terms are associated to them on the database. Each subsequent click on another term will lead you to another set of keywords related to each other. Once you've found a set of terms that are satisfying for your search, you can then either select the terms with the tick box on the left side to do a search on the term as subject, which means the results associated with this term will be partly or mainly about the associated subject term, or you could select the first box on the right to explode the term, which means that this and other associated terms will be selected. And finally, you could also select the second box on the right to do a search with the term as a major subject heading, which means that the article associated to this term will be mainly about that subject term. Once you've done a selection of combination of terms you're satisfied with, you can click on Add to add the selected terms to your search. By default, the Boolean operator selected is OR, since the terms available are all related to each other and are generally used to diversify your search on a single subject. The new search will then be added to your search history to be explored or to be combined with other past searches in your search history.